Hi everyone, it's Jill from Kids Baking Club and I cannot wait to show you this recipe. I call them my big, best, chewy chocolate chip cookies you will ever make. It's an easy recipe, but there's a few little secrets in there that make these cookies so amazing. Go ahead and print the recipe by going to kidsbakingclub.com, click the blog, and there you will find this recipe. Are you ready to get started? Okay, so first we want to mix all of the dry ingredients together. First we're going to add the dry ingredients. Here's 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to stir that really well. Make sure that baking soda gets through all that flour. Now we're going to mix all of the wet ingredients together. Our melted but cooled butter, then we're going to stir in 1/2 cup of sugar. Stir that really well. Now we're adding 1 cup of brown sugar. We're adding 1 egg. So we want to separate. Oops. Get that out of there. And put that yolk. You can add this to an omelet. Now we're going to add the 2 eggs in and stir that really well. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Now pour in your wet ingredients, all that butter and sugar, yum. Now mix that really well. And now's the fun part. We're gonna add in the chocolate chips. Now it's time to add in the chocolate chips and stir that really well. So now's the fun part. We get to scoop out our big chunky cookies. So you need them about 2 inches apart. These are going to go into the oven for about 12 to 14 minutes. At about 12 minutes, go ahead and look at them, and they look like they're nice and browned on the sides, then that's perfect. The nice thing about cookies is you can take them out of the oven about 1 or 2 minutes before they're completely done, and then they'll still bake on the pan. And that's where you get that really moist bite when you bite into a cookie that's crispy on the outside and then chewy and moist in the middle. That's what we're looking for. So these are going to go into the oven, and I will show you what they look like when they come out. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and press the subscribe button and then the little bell next to there. That way you're notified when we have a new recipe. Thanks for joining me today. I cannot wait to hear how well this recipe turned out when you made it. Don't forget to go to kidsbakingclub.com, click the blog, and then they're so good. I forgot how good they were. These are really good. Cannot wait for you to make them. All right, see you next time.